Time now for better food. So those days and weeks after bringing home a new baby can be really stressful for the family.
One thing that would alleviate some of that stress, bringing food to them.
Absolutely. Lauren Siegel from La Piastra is showing us some of the delicious pre-cooked meals that you can just pick up and drop off. I remember that was one of my favorite things when I would literally sometimes people just drop it on the doorstep and they'd ring the doorbell and you'd go out and be like, I was going to say thank you to you, but they were already gone. They just left a meal.
Which is really terrific.
Yeah, because that's a huge thing. You're like, how do I have time to cook? I can barely... You know?
You're busy with the baby. You got everything. Everything is brand new, and the last thing you want to worry about is food.
Food, and trying to make something that's healthful and complete, so you get everything all in one.
Yeah.
And we have a couple of family options that allow people to just pick up a meal like this. Like this is our chicken and broccoli cheesy rice. It comes in an oven-safe container, so you can pop it in the oven, or do what I did, and I put it in a skillet. This has everything you need in it. It's got chicken. It's got broccoli, carrots, rice.
And look at the portion. I mean,
it's huge.
You took this out of here, and this is what's still left?
That's still what's left over.
I mean, this is unbelievable. $20 for this.
And for the whole family,
and
it's made, even if, it's great when you have a baby, but even if you're in that other stage where the kids are doing sports and stuff and you just have no time to cook, to know you have a healthy meal that you can just pop in the oven, hands-free time, and everyone's going to eat something better than, pizza or grab and go.
And it's everything in one, so it's just one-stop shopping. You don't have to worry about putting anything else in there. So that also has some bacon in it.
And it's gluten-free.
It's gluten-free.
Because you are gluten-free.
I am gluten-free.
That's kind of the hard thing about is sometimes if you have convenience food, you're thinking, oh, it's not going to be healthy, or you have a special diet. Yours is both healthy and it's gluten-free.
Right.
Some of these items. Yeah.
Some of them are, yep.
Yeah.
And some of them are freezable too. So if the mom has a bunch of meals at her house and she needs to freeze some of them because she can't keep them all in the refrigerator at the same time, some of our meals can be frozen.
Oh, that's a great gift for the baby to buy a bunch, put them in the freezer, and just take them out.
Look what I did. I've got a little demonstration here with a little cute rattle. You can tie the bag and just bring a bunch of meals to them if you want. There's nothing in there, but
that's
that's just for show.
Containers. Yeah. That's awesome. I love that.
And then our other meal here is a turkey taco pie, and this is done with a broccoli crust.
A broccoli crust.
This is gluten-free also, and for people like you and me who are trying to watch our carbs, you're going to feel like you're having this amazing dinner, but this crust is vegetables.
That's amazing.
Kind of like the cauliflower crust. This is a broccoli crust.
So now, if I don't know the mother's taste, can I drop off a menu? I mean,
you can drop off a menu. Better yet, we always say gift card.
Gift card.
That's
that way.
Even better. Yeah, and we can even deliver some of the meals. So if they order a bunch of meals, we can deliver it to their house.
She cut you a little piece right there.
I did. I cut it. So this has ground turkey, onions, some green peppers, cheddar cheese. So it's pretty mild. It doesn't have any beans in it, but we wanted to make it kid friendly. So it's got a little spice, but it's pretty mild.
Not too much, right? So, and that's the nice thing when you go to La Piastra, it will tell you kind of what's family friendly, and you got the standard, pasta dishes and pizza and stuff too.
Yep.
You just won Best of Hartford Gourmet to Go.
Yes, we are so excited. Yes, this is the 4th year that we've placed for Best of Hartford, and it's just a great way to let people know who we are and put ourselves out there. And I'm really proud.
Can I ask a really stupid question?
No question is stupid.
Does the mother have to worry about what they eat if they're breastfeeding? Like if it's too spicy?
No, I mean, not usually. Sometimes later on if the baby's having issues, you'll have a restricted diet or something. But in general, I think, especially when you first come home, you're so grateful that there's a wholesome meal. You're like, really? I just have to put that in the oven? And actually, even Dad, if Mom's busy breastfeeding, like, this is something simple. The instructions are right on here.
Yeah. Like
and someone who's not a cook be like, oh, put in oven for 35 minutes at 350.
Yeah.
Boom, I'm done.
Okay,
done.
That's terrific.
Yeah.
We also have all of the ingredients listed on every single label and the sub-ingredients. So if there's any hidden, concerns at all, it's all right there on the label, and we can help you figure out what's a safe choice.
This is great, because I'm even if it's
good for you too.
Good for me too. You don't have to be an expectant mom or just have a baby. This is perfect for everybody.
Yeah.
As you were saying, somebody is ill, and they could appreciate a meal
I think that's
as well.
another thing. When someone's got a diagnosis, you can also help them out with meals. So people are signing up for meal trains. Anyway, La Piastra has locations in Glastonbury, right on Hebron Avenue, in the same plaza as Sweet Frog, and also in Rocky Hill over on the Silestine Highway. To learn more, to see their menus, place orders, go to lapiastra.com, and you'll find everything there.